Welcome back, everyone. In this lesson, we're going to talk about expenses, accrual basis, and unearned revenue. Accrual expenses such as prepaid expenses, account payable, accrued expenses, rent payable, wages payable, and for revenue, we're going to talk about the unearned revenue. So, expenses accrual basis are recognized when they are incurred, not when cash is paid. Simple is expenses is recorded when the business receives the benefits or uses the service, even if payment happens later. Let's take an example. We received service in March 2026, but we didn't pay it until May 2026. The journal entry in March gonna be rent expenses because it belonged to this month and we get benefit from it, and we credit it to rent payable because we didn't pay it yet. And it will go to current liability because it's a liability that we're gonna pay with less than 1 year. In May, when we pay it in cash, we reverse the rent payable, we take it from credit, put it in debit, and we credit cash. So it's gonna be like debit rent expense and credit cash. Another thing to talk about, prepaid expense, which we pay for more than one period and then we subtract it for each period when we receive the service or get benefit from it and what it's gonna remain at the end of the year. Example, in July 1st, 2025, we pay rent amount 12,000 for 1 year in advance. Here we have July, the first month we get benefits. We have more 5 months left in 2025, and we have 6 months in the next year, 2026. So the journal entry gonna be here: debit rent expense 1,000 for month of July, and the prepaid expense for the rest of the month, and cash 12,000 because we pay it. The rent expense will go to income statement, and the prepaid expense go to balance sheet and current assets. The next months, August, September, October, November, December, we're just gonna take the amount that belong to this month and we expense it. So debit rent expense and debit prepaid expense. At the end, what's gonna be left is 6 months belong to 2026. It's gonna show in balance sheet under current assets. Now, as we understand expenses under the accrual basis, let's move to unearned revenue. Unearned revenue is a money a business receives before providing goods or service. The company owes goods or service to the customer. They get the money of it, but they didn't deliver it yet. That obligation makes it a liability, not a revenue yet. So you see it in liability side in the balance sheet under current liability. Example for it, a customer pays 3,000 in advance for service next month. In the month we receive the money, we debit cash 3,000 and credit unearned revenue 3,000. And when we satisfy the obligation, now we earn that revenue, so we debit unearned revenue and credit revenue. Another example, in November, a customer pays 60,000 in advance for a service to be performed in December and January from the next year. When we receive the cash in November, we debit cash 60,000 and credit unearned revenue 60,000 because we didn't satisfy it yet. When we satisfy the part belong to December, we debit unearned revenue for 30,000 and credit revenue for 30,000 because this amount represents what belong to December. And the remaining amount belong to next year gonna show in current liability in the balance sheet here, as you can see.